guys.
I've got mine.
Me too. So I think that we should
Spin that record.
Okay, here goes.
Alright. What's it gonna be?
Oh, it's this song.
I know this song.
Me too. Okay,
Come on,
here
here we go. See the girl with the diamonds on her shoe. Yeah, she walks around like she's got nothing on her. She's a go getter. She's everybody's type. She's the queen of the city, but you don't need a hide. She got her own elevation, hope me motivation. Till I wrote some letters on big gold signs.
I got faith in you, baby. I got faith in you now. And you've been such a good friend to me. Know that I love you somehow. I'll get you. Now I know it. I got faith. Woo!
Come on.
See the boy with the city money swag. Ain't got a cup full of magic that he has. He's a go-getter. He's everybody's top mama. Making my mission, making me feel alright. He's a 12 or a 10, but fucking after his going. Just say the word, 'cause I can say it all night.
I got faith in you, baby. I got faith in you now. I met you. Now I know it. I got faith.
Welcome to Turntables, where you get to turn the tables on us. This jukebox is full of amazing tunes, but we don't get to choose which one to play.
That is up to you guys. We're gonna have 3 very lucky people come on up here and spin that record, and whatever you spin, we'll sing.
And no two shows are ever the same.
But every show's a great time.
Welcome to Turntables.
I get around and then my mind goes crazy. I think about you more than you. Tonight I just think you go.
I'll make you.
Now I know it.
I got faith in you, baby. I got faith in you now. And you've been such a good friend to me. Know that I love you somehow. I'm with you. Now I know it. I'm with you. Now I know it. I got
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Welcome to Turntables! In case you missed that, we are gonna pick 3 lucky volunteers to come up on this stage, spin that record, and whatever song it lands on, we are gonna sing. Now, does anybody want to come and spin this wheel? Come on up.
Hey, girl.
Hey.
Yes, just passing by, joining the program. Tell me, what is your name? Sia, and where are you from? India. Nice. All right, come over here and kick off the show. Put your hand in here, grab that wheel, yes, and we are gonna spin that record. Big spin. All right, one more time. Show us some moves.
I know you feel it 'cause you like it like this. I'm breaking it down. I'm not the same. I know you feel it 'cause you like it like this.
Nice. Okay, wait, look this way. You've landed on a gold record, so you've got a choice. Do you want the record to the right or the record to the left? The right. Okay, you have landed on a boy band medley.
Oh, hey.
Tell me, do you have a favorite boy band? None at all? All the boy bands in the world, there's none that you like?
One Direction, Backstreet Boys,
In Sync.
Spice Girls.
In Sync. Okay, we'll take that. Thank you so much, everyone. A round of applause. Thank you so much.
Bravo.
In Sync. Nice. Okay, what about you two? Any favorite boy band?
I really love the Backstreet Boys.
The Backstreet Boys.
Oh, sorry.
Nice. Is Blink-182 a boy band?
Yeah?
Yeah?
Technically, yeah.
I heard that somewhere, so I'll say it. Great. You know what? It is coin time.
Let's do it. Come
Get
on.
started with this. Yeah.
The right stuff. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh.
Here we go.
Oh, oh, oh. The right stuff. You got the right stuff. Baby. Love the way you turn me on. You got the right stuff. Baby. You're the reason why I sing this song. The right stuff.
Everybody.
Backstreet's back. All right.
Hey.
really wanna make it tough. I just wanna tell you that I've had enough.
Might sound crazy, but it ain't alright, baby. Bye, bye, bye.
Come on.
Everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone else but you. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you twist your hair gets me overwhelmed. The way you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know, you don't know you're beautiful.
Come on.
Hey!
That's what makes you beautiful.
Thank you! Okay, guys, it's spin number 2, and I've got my eye on you. Would you like to come up here? Would you like to come together? You can come together. You want to come? We have a winner, everybody. Put your hands together. Couple of steps up. Oh, we're okay. All right, my friend. Now, face the front here so everybody can see you. What is your name? And where are you from? From Taiwan. Awesome. Put it here. Can you give me a high five? Okay. He's all ready to go. We're going to step over to the wheel just here. Bum, ba, da, bum, bum, bum. Okay. Right. Oh, he wants the microphone, you guys.
Oh.
Right in here. See this, buddy? This way. Here. Look. Okay. And together we're going to
Spin that record.
All right. Okay. You can dance. You want to have a dance now?
Hey, talking about your troubles and crying, say,
Don't be shy. Okay. He's got it. Maybe just a cute little photo opportunity there. Okay, let's see what we've landed on. Check it out. It's a song called I Wish by Stevie Wonder. I think he's really going to like this song, you guys. I'll give that over to King. Can we give him a round of applause, everybody? Wasn't he wonderful? Okay. Come back this way. I'm going to help him down the stairs while you guys set
Yeah,
up.
we'll set up here. Don't
Couple of
worry.
stairs there. And he's on his way. Mwah. Thank you so much.
Yay!
Okay, everybody.
To be a performer.
I know. We do. Maybe we can get one more microphone for him later.
Oh,
think about it.
yeah.
All right. Are you guys ready for this?
I love Stevie
totally.
Wonder. Let's do it.
Okay, it's going time.
3, 2, 1.
Looking back on when I was a little nappy-headed boy. Ooh, yeah.
And my only worry was for Christmas, what would be my toy? Oh, yeah.
Even though we sometimes couldn't get everything.
We were happy with the joy the day would bring.
I wish those days could come back once more. Why did those days ever have to go? I wish those days could come back once more. Why did those days ever have to go? 'Cause I love them so. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do.
Hey!
Do-do-do-do-do-do-do.
Grow up and learn that time to make it right.
But while you are doing it,
It's something I don't
I wish those days could come back once more. Why did those days ever have to go? I wish those days could come back once more. Why did those days ever have to go? 'Cause I love them so.
yes, I do. Come on. Hey!
I love them so.
Spin 3.
Alrighty, guys, that means it's my turn to choose the final volunteer. Who would like to come on up? Anybody?
Who's
gonna
coming?
be the final? What about you with the
Oh,
headphones?
hi. He's got a brother.
Yes, I love this shirt. Oh, we've got
Got a
children
twofer.
everywhere.
Got a
Everybody's
twofer.
coming.
Got a twofer.
I love this.
Oh my God, this is great.
Oh, hello.
Keep
What's
them
your
on.
name? Oh my God. You two are so cute. Okay, well, I've got a special
Ladies
job.
and gentlemen, the new
We've got
kindergarten.
all the help.
Well, we can go now. There's 3 of us and there's 3 of
Yeah,
them. So we're done.
turntables with these 3. You guys want
Adorable.
to take the lead?
Okay, come over here.
All right, this is really fun.
Okay, here we go.
Come over here.
All right, let's do it all together. Oh, thank you
Yay.
so much. A little momentum. He's gonna get this back. All right, what are we gonna do? Spin that
little extra spin.
It's spinning.
Oh, and we're still spinning.
Here, let's
I'm going to stop it right here.
See what it is.
We have landed on My Heart Will Go On by Celine
Oh,
Dion.
fantastic.
I'm not even going to ask if they know this song because
I think they might.
Hey!
Oh my gosh.
High five, guys.
High five.
Thank you so
Boom.
much. Nice
Thank you
work,
so
everybody.
much for coming up. That makes me
Thank
so
you.
happy.
Okay, let's go. Rock and roll. This is amazing. We've
That
never
is
had
the
so many
future
people-
of turntables right
Yeah.
there.
I got this sudden urge to start a daycare.
This makes me so happy. I really enjoyed that. Okay,
too.
well, let's get on to the song.
Okay.
This one's dedicated to you three.
Yeah.
It is coin time.
Okay, awesome. Who's singing this one?
You, of course, it's you.
You guys want me to sing this song? I don't know. I just sang the last song and the one before that, and I think maybe a boy should sing this song.
That's ridiculous. No,
Come on, Freddie.
No.
Guys, I would love to sing this, but I feel like King, this is your song.
King?
You're gonna be
Okay, help me out. Come on. Everybody say love. Love. Can touch us one time. You know what? I'll see what I can do. Okay.
At last for a lifetime, and never let go to it. Hey, every night in my dreams I see you, I feel you. That's how I know you so. Far from the distance that takes between us, you have come to show you so. Another successful round of turntables. Now, I'm gonna go and ice my toes, because you guys have been keeping me on the...
Freddie. No. I don't think we're done yet. I think we've got another song. Yeah.
That's right, you guys. We're not stopping now.
Hey, Max, do that thing.
Okay, everybody, hold on. Here we go.
Good.
Tonight I'm gonna have myself a real good time. I feel alive.
And the world, I'll turn it inside out. Yeah, I'm floating around in ecstasy.
So
Don't stop me
now,
Don't stop me.
having a good time, having a good time. Start leaping through the sky like a tiger, defying the force of gravity.
I'm a racing car.
Hey,
I'm leading your time. I'm gonna go. There's no stopping